When the grid fails and you are caught in a deadlocked isolation event, environmental exposure and rapid resource depletion begin to dictate your lifespan. Survival starts with an immediate hydration audit of your emergency supplies, using whatever workspace you have available, even the hood of your stranded vehicle. Most preppers prioritize high-end, freeze-dried meals, boasting a 25-year shelf life. These dry rations carry a hidden, potentially fatal cost to your biology when municipal water stops flowing. The strict management of your internal water economics determines your survival, regardless of the total calorie count printed on a bag. To begin the audit, analyze the preparation instructions on your freeze-dried pouches to find the exact fluid input required for a single meal. Rehydrating just one pouch forces you to sacrifice 2 cups of your finite drinking water. This is the water tax. Attempting to bypass this severe water tax by eating the survival ration dry or underhydrated creates an immediate physiological crisis. These meals contain heavy sodium. To process that salt, your body extracts fluid from your own organs, siphoning it into the stomach to assist digestion. This internal dehydration leads to rapid gastrointestinal distress and severe constipation as the intestinal tract becomes constricted and impacted. Relying on dry food during a water shortage forces the body to use its own vital moisture to process dinner, effectively accelerating your dehydration. If your water reserves reach zero, you must immediately stop eating. Digestion is a fluid-intensive luxury that your body cannot safely perform during extreme resource scarcity. This reflects the exact directive of military survival instructors: do not eat unless water is available. When your water is depleted, your only sound biological actions are to halt physical exertion and rest in the shade. While starvation alone takes weeks to kill, internal dehydration induced by eating dry rations will cause systemic failure in days. You must permanently discard desperation-based hydration tactics from your survival plan. Popular culture often suggests that drinking your own urine can actually extend your life, but human biology proves otherwise. High serum urea makes urophagy chemically hazardous to a dehydrated body. It triggers osmotic diuresis, a process where the kidneys are forced to flush out more water than you've taken in. Clinical case reports show this leads directly to acute kidney injury and severe hypernatremia. Consuming toxic waste products forces the body into a cycle of rapid dehydration, leading to system failure much faster than simply going without. The final step of your audit is to replace hazardous freeze-dried pouches with biologically safe alternatives. A wet pantry utilizes survival rations containing their own built-in hydration to bypass the water tax. Stocking items like canned soups, beans, and vegetables provides both the calories and the critical moisture required for safe digestion. While canned goods are physically heavier, this weight penalty is necessary to protect your finite water. An optimized survival ration supports human energy levels without holding the body's internal water reserves hostage. The hydration audit is complete. Your survival kit is now free of internal biological hazards. As we have seen, methodically packing self-hydrating supplies prepares you for the physiological realities of a prolonged grid-down event. By eliminating the water tax, you ensure your emergency rations support your health rather than compromising it. Effective preparedness aligns your stockpiles with the hard biological requirements of the human body, moving past the marketing of long shelf lives.